to me.
Perfect. Oh, I gotta change the battery. Charge it up. All right.
Baby
Bill,
Bill.
Your presents?
Wait, I didn't turn my flip on.
Oh, she got her birthday smile on.
Look at this. I got mine flip too.
Good job. All right, have at it, baby girl.
Have at it. These are for mommy, daddy, and brother.
What the? Oh. What's the matter with this? I'm trying to.
Press the red button, Bill. Yeah.
What is
Oh, I
it?
gotta delete some videos. What's in there, baby?
Woo! A baby doll. Hold her up so I can get your picture with her.
It's too heavy for me.
Wow, that's a big doll.
Hey, can you help me?
Alright. Isn't she pretty? You like her?
Yeah.
She's beautiful.
Dad, you delete all of them?
No.
What? You're deleting all? Why did you delete all of them?
Remember, Brandon, when people are helping you out, you should say thank you instead of just complaining.
Hey,
Wow, look at that.
What's that? Hold it up. Let me see.
Barbie. Very good.
Barbie puppy goes swimming.
all filled up again.
Whoa, what's in there?
Whoa, some sea animals for the tub.
Daddy, can I put some of these in the computer?
Yeah.
Yay, I got a computer put it in.
Lucky.
Whoa.
What is it? It's a fancy Nancy drawing board. Should have a pen in there for you too.
So fancy.
Hold your books up so I can get a picture of you with your books. Fancy Nancy cupcakes. Smile. Put your face in between the two books.
There's two more presents.
Oh, what's in that bag, Avery?
What's that?
The bag you just took the stuffing out of.
Right here.
Right here.
Okay.
Then making things.
It's the princess
Grow
one.
capsules.
Look at all the princess stuff. Avery, build this one.
Slippers.
Slippers. Socks.
New slipper.
Fancy Nancy socks.
There's one more.
Only one more left.
There's actually two more.
I know. Just put them in.
Arian, look. Do want to
Whoa, Play-Doh.
Oh.
That's 24.
Oh, you got something stuck on your foot? Oh,
Can I see?
a microphone. Maybe you should treat your presents a little bit nicer.
Tell me something.
That's not for my birthday.
Baby diapers. Because what's in there?
Baby
She got this.
diapers for not for my pet.
A baby.
My last one.
Okay. This is perfect.
What's that baby do?
I don't know.
Now, can I say so?
Open it now. I open it
Because
now.
she needs diapers because it's the baby that wets.
Oh, okay.
Oh, awesome.
That's why those baby diapers.
Yay! Happy birthday, Avery Bo! What do you say to Daddy, brother, and Mommy?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, everybody.
My own shirt. Is it I gave this one to Avery?
What are you looking for, Pumpkin?
No.
You gotta go potty?
No. I'm just going to take these pins since they're not coming off me.
She doesn't like those pants.